Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about Affiliate Marketing 101, a beginner's guide to passive income. In this video, we'll demystify the world of affiliate marketing and show you how to start generating passive income online. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to enhance your understanding, this guide will lay a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. So, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their unique affiliate links. As an affiliate marketer, you become a bridge between potential customers and the products or services they need. It's like being a trusted recommender, helping people find the right solutions while earning passive income along the way. Now, let's dive into the 3 essential players in affiliate marketing. The first player is you, the affiliate marketer. You'll be partnering with the second player, which is the merchant or advertiser, who owns the product or service you'll be promoting. The third player is the customer. Your goal is to connect the customer with the merchant by recommending products or services that meet their needs. When a customer makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. One of the crucial steps in affiliate marketing is selecting a niche. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise that aligns with your passion. Choosing a niche allows you to target a specific audience and provide them with valuable content and recommendations. Research your niche, identify its pain points, and find products or services that offer solutions. By focusing on a niche, you can establish yourself as an authority and build trust with your audience. The next step is finding reputable affiliate programs. Many companies offer affiliate programs, providing you with the opportunity to promote their products and earn commissions. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer competitive commissions. Popular affiliate program platforms include Online Business Network, ClickBank, and more. There are hundreds of affiliate programs to choose from. Explore these platforms, browse the available products, and choose those that resonate with your audience. Once you've selected an affiliate program, it's time to promote your affiliate links. Start by creating a platform to reach your audience, such as a website, blog, or social media channels. Focus on creating valuable content that educates, entertains, and engages your audience. You can write product reviews, publish informative articles, create engaging videos, or even host podcasts. The key is to provide value and build a relationship with your audience, establishing trust and credibility. As you build your audience, you can start incorporating affiliate links strategically. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to maintain trust with your audience. You can use various promotional strategies like banners, contextual links, email marketing, or social media posts. Experiment with different approaches and track the performance of your affiliate links using analytics tools. This data will help you refine your strategies and optimize your campaigns for better results. Lastly, it's important to stay up to date with the latest industry trends and best practices. Attend webinars, read industry blogs, and connect with other affiliate marketers. Join forums or communities to share experiences and learn from experts in the field. That brings us to the end of our video on affiliate marketing. By selecting the right niche, building a strong online presence, promoting effectively, tracking your performance, and staying persistent, you're on your way to unlocking the potential of passive income through affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.